Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on DesignSpark Mechanical, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an odd shape, either a coffee mug handle or a beer mug handle. But it's going to be a different shape than a traditional shape. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and open the program. We're going to say New, click New Design, change to Plan View. We're going to come over here to File and go down to DesignSpark Options. Go to Units, make sure that it's in Imperial, which is inches, and it is. So, okay. All right, so now we're going to go ahead with the snaps on. We're going to drag out 1.25 inches. We'll come down 2 inches. We're going to come in let's go 1 inch. Then we'll come down 0.625 inches. We'll come over 0.625, and then we'll go up 0.375. Hang on 1 second. My dog wants out. Go on. Okay, sorry about that. My dog wanted to go outside. Okay. So anyhow, so we'll come up to there, and then we'll go ahead and end that. Now we're going to go ahead and put some fillets in here. So we'll go ahead and round that off to 0.375. We'll round that off to 0.375. We'll round this off to 0.25, 0.25, then 0.25. Okay, so now we have this kind of a shape. So now what we want to do is come over to here and change to isometric view. Now we're going to come down to 3D mode, and we're going to drag a marquee just around that thing there where you get the little tip to glow green. Then we're going to click on the circle. You can see how the plane changed. Now we're going to drag our marquee up to 0.354. Come down here to the mode. We're going to click on that circle. We're going to select pull. We're going to come over here to sweep. We're going to multiple click till everything is selected, and then we're going to select this full pull. Okay, this is going to be our odd shape handle. Now we're going to go back to top. Okay. Now let's go switch over here to display, come over here to split, and go 4 viewports. Okay, so now we have 4 viewports. So we want to go ahead and go back to design, click on the rectangle tool. We want to draw a rectangle here. Maybe make it 3.5 inches. Or let's go 4. Let's make it 4 inches by 1.125. Okay, now we're going to go back to display. We're going to come over here to split. We're going to go back to 1 viewport. Now we come over here to design. Change this to top view. Okay, now we're going to come over here to design. We're going to move. We're going to click that. Actually, let's go back to design. Let's spin this. Okay, we're going to have to go to here, go to design. We're going to have to select, let's pan down so I can see what we're doing here. Go back to display. Let's hold down the control key. Click on select. Let's hold down the control key, control minus, get that bottom piece. Let's go back to design. Let's select move. Let's grab that red arrow, move it out of the way. Now we're going to go ahead and go back to design. We're going to select pull. We're going to click there, and then we're going to say select this revolve. We're going to revolve from there, and then we're going to go full pull. Okay, now go back to design. We're going to spin this. Okay, and I go to design. We're going to get our select tool. Let's click till everything here is selected. Go back to design, or go back to display. Select move. And then we're going to drag this. Actually, you know what I'm going to do is go up to anchor, up to, and then we're going to go up to this green line. Now I'm going to grab that red one. Now we know it's in the center, so we'll just pull this out and then we'll put it back till it's just inside of the mug. Okay, now we'll go to display, go back to top view. Okay, we can get rid of this line here. We don't need it anymore. Okay, now we're going to go to design. We're going to select spin. We're going to rotate this. Go back. I don't know why it keeps going back to this. Let's go to design. We're going to go to shell, and we're going to type in 0.25, a 0.25 inch shell. Enter, select, and then we'll go click the green check. We'll go back to design. Get our spin tool. Make sure nothing's sticking out. So basically, this is our odd shape handle. What I want to do is select pull. We're going to change the size of these, just certain ones. We'll go to 0.73. Click on this. Type in 0.7. Ooh, what happened there? That was weird. .73. Maybe we'll change this one here. Click off. Let's go grab that one. 0.7. Oh, didn't go. No, it's not going to go. Okay, let's try this one. Nope, these won't go. So it'll just be these. And go back to design. Go to top view. Go to design. Let's go spin. Okay, this is going to be our odd shape beer mug with the industrial type style handle. If I had pulled this piece out a little more, we'd be able to do stuff with it. So let's see if we can do that. Let's grab that. We can't really do that. We'd have to actually grab all of that. And even then, we wouldn't be able to do it. So, okay. All right, so this is going to end today's tutorial. Just wanted to show you guys how to create a different type of a beer mug or a different type of handle. We can go over here to the isometric view. There's the mug. Go ahead and give it a spin so we can take a look at it. You could probably add some fillets to this. It's not so rough. Let's go ahead and get your pull. We can add a fillet here. Maybe 0.08. Do another one right here to 0.08. All right. Let's go ahead and go to display. Let's say pull, and then to pull this one here. 0.08. Go to design, select spin. Okay, here's your odd shaped beer mug handle. We could probably put one more here, one more fillet here. Go 0.5. You could also add some here if you wanted to. 0.3. We'll 0.3 there. Let's go to design. Let's go to spin. Maybe add one more fillet to the bottom here. Okay, that's going to be our industrial beer mug with an odd shaped handle. Okay, hopefully you enjoy watching and you got something useful out of this video. Thanks again for watching.